Should you wait here?
Bird?
Or the cage?
Or perhaps the bird?
Nothing beats the cage.
These two again. How do... Never mind.
Look at these, they're amazing. Which one do you like more, this one or this? The bird is beautiful and the cage is somber, but there's really something special about it. I just can't decide.
The one on the right.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I love it.
Surprising. I expected the cage.
If you're going to be a sore loser, then I shan't do this again.
Now that's just sophistry.
Oh my god!
My God.
It's Fitzroy! It has to be!
Look.
Who else would do such a thing?
Are you alright?
It was my home.
We should get out of here.
Let's go.
It's okay.
Oh, Frederick!
He'll set this
Where
right.
was the sun?
He's the sword of vengeance.
What I want to know is, why is there never a handyman around when you need one? What are they good for? Except scaring people with their grotesque disabilities.
Make sure you have a piece of photographic identification ready for presentation.
Put those arms up now. Fingers apart. Legs apart. Stand still. Now hold steady.
I ain't getting through there.
I have just the thing. Come on.
Look at this one. Hey, copper! Look at this one! He's suspicious, if you ask me!
I don't see the point of
All
stopping
right,
all of us
quiet
just to
down
find
there,
this one
Pete.
name.
What's happening?
Damn thing's locked.
What is happening?
What are you doing?
You're a roguish type. What does it look like? Done.
Where did you learn to pick locks?
Trapped in a tower with nothing but books and spare time? You would be surprised what I know how to do.